Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create this amazing text effect in Canva, so make sure you watch the video till the end. After uploading your image, drag and drop it into the design. Go to Elements, go to Frames, select See All and search for the text you want to add. Drag the frame into the design and align it. Add more of the text frames and align it. Go to Uploads and drag your main photo into the frame. Double click on it and resize it to fit the design. Do this to the rest of the text frames. Double click on it and resize it to fit the design. Next, go to border style and set the border width to 10. Set the border color to white. Copy the styles and paste it on the remaining text. Click on the background image, edit the image and remove the background. Now use the magic eraser to remove the unwanted parts of the image. Now see how it looks. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more Canva tutorials.